What shall we have for lunch? Along to eat some festival.
Oh, yes.
Shall we have that with fried chicken?
Yeah.
Right, so I'm going to show you guys as well how to make Jamaican festival that you normally traditionally eat with fish at the seaside. You can do it at home. It's very tasty. It's almost like fried dumplings, but it has some spice. It has cinnamon
or mixed spice.
My
past students usually say it tastes like donuts.
Or like donuts, like fried donuts. That's the nearest. Yeah. So it's a very easy recipe. Lots of people who come to Jamaica love festival but don't know how to make it. So I'm going to show you how to make it simply, and you can do it yourselves at home.
I have a ratio that I use that's really successful.
2, 1, half.
Pinch, pinch.
Right, so let's do this. So these are the ingredients you'll need for the festivals. Now, you should really use self-raising flour, but I'm going to use plain as that's what I have, but I'm also going to put baking powder in it to make sure that it rises. And look at my beautiful sugar. In this jar we have sugar, but it has 3 different types of brown sugar and it's beautiful. Then we also need cornmeal, we need some salt, we need some cinnamon or some other spice. We'll need a bowl. We'll need, I've said the cinnamon already, measuring cups. And then we also need water. So the recipe calls for 2, 1, sorry, wrong way around. So let's do that again. 2, 1, half, and then pinch, pinch, or more if you like. And there it is in my bowl, the ingredients for festival. So I've got baking powder, flour, cornmeal, sugar, lovely brown sugar, salt and spice. And I'm going to knead it now. You just need enough water to make a softish dough. It must not be sticky, but it must not be hard. All the flour, all the mixture should come up from the sides of the bowl and be part of the dough, but not be sticky nor hard. So I'll show you. There's the dough ready. That's what it should look like. Then I'm going to leave it to rest until I start the chicken, and then I'll start shaping them, and I'll show you how they're shaped, usually shaped. So there's some flour on the plate, and then I'll take a bit of the dough off, roll it in the palm of my hands, then lengthways until you get that, and then just flatten it, place it on the plate. Now the purpose of the flour on the plate is to help it not to stick. So that's all. Pinch a piece off, roll into a circle, then in lengthways, flatten it just a bit because it's going to puff up with the baking powder that's in it, or if you had used self-raising flour. So that's that. I'll make them, I'll fry them, and then I'll show you. So medium flame, not too high, or then they're going to burn. They're going to cook really fast. The outsides will be burnt and the inside not done. So medium heat, then we're going to turn it. So from that, then when they're made, onto the floured plate. And then there they are. Nice Jamaican festival. Don't get them any browner than that. Delish. If you do get to try the festivals, tag us on Insta and let us see.